Hi, it's Shreya, and I'm volunteering with CKSTEM this summer. And now that we've reached the end of our STEAM summer workshops, the engineering chapter, I'm glad to announce that we had a full class that participated every single week, and now they've created a chain reaction that consists of most, if not all, of their projects that they made over the summer.
It was inspiring to watch every student build their own projects from start to finish. However, what they learn will be forever. Here at CK STEM, we want to teach them all the skills necessary to help them in their futures, and even if it doesn't translate to one thing, it'll help them in many others. Without further ado, we have this student chain reaction video, which is bound to blow your socks off.
Audio Jungle. 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 Alright, that wraps it up for us. Thank you so much for being a part of our CK STEM summer program. We really loved having you here. If you would like to join us further along in our journey or like to volunteer with us, please check our website and our social media because we always keep you posted for anything that's upcoming. Thank you so much and have a great summer, everybody. Bye-bye.